Morning students, I hope you all are very good, right? So welcome back to your science class. So children, this is your science textbook, right? So we have to complete our chapter number 7 today. Okay, we are going to complete our chapter number 7, nesting habits of birds, okay, today. And we are going to do textbook exercises today, okay? So let's start. Open your page number, yes, open your page number 46, okay children? So we have already discussed that how do birds reproduce, yes, all birds reproduce by laying eggs, and after that hatching process takes place, yes, and after that we know that most chicks that takes birth, that comes out of the egg, do not have feathers, right? And they are as helpless as we were when we were born, right? But some chicks have feathers and can run around, right? And the parents protect them from enemies, and they look after themselves until they can look after themselves and learn to fly. Yes, parents protect them from enemies and feed them until they can look after themselves and they learn to fly, they learn to eat. Till that time, parents will take care of the chicks, okay, or baby birds, we can say, right? And when once these birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest, and whenever they wants to lay new eggs, whenever they wants to give eggs, build they build new nest every time, yes. And after that we have read about kinds of nests, yes. Here you can see many kinds of nests, yes. A weaver bird's nest, it is different, it is so beautiful from outside, from inside, yes. And weaver bird weave its nest with its beak, and it is really very beautiful, right? And tailor bird makes nest with the help of leaves only, yes. And eagle is used, yes, it used sticks and twigs to make its nest, right? And stork make its nest on cliffs, yes. And woodpecker make its nest on the bark of a tree, and they just make a hole with their sharp and pointed beak, right? And swan make its nest nearby water bodies, yes. Pani, lakes, rivers, they make their nest near lakes, rivers, etc., right? And swallow make their nest with mud, yes. And penguin is the bird that make its nest with the help of stones and pebbles, yes. And they just keep their egg near their feet until it hatch, yes. So till that time, till baby chick will come out, till that time they are just holding their egg near the feet, with their feet, yes. And when once it is hatched out and the baby chick has come out, then they just leave the egg, yes. So today we are going to learn about migration, okay? So children, as we all know that birds are great travelers, right? Travelers, what is the meaning of traveler? A traveler means a person or a living thing that travels, yes. So birds are really very great travelers. Many birds that live in cold places fly thousands of kilometers to warmer places ड्यूरिंग विंटर, है ना, जब सर्दियाँ ज़्यादा होती हैं तो जो ठंडे इलाकों में जो बर्ड्स रहती हैं इन कोल्ड प्लेसेस, द बर्ड्स दोज हु आर लिविंग, they used to move to warmer places so that they can protect themselves. And then what do there? They lay their eggs there. When the winter is over, they fly back with their young ones, right? और जब winters ख़त्म हो जाती हैं उसके बाद में वो लोग अपने छोटे बच्चों के साथ वहाँ पे वापस आ जाती हैं. और इसी लॉन्ग जर्नी को, है ना, when they are going somewhere and they lay eggs over there, and after that they come back at the same place from where they have left. This whole journey is known as migration. Okay, for example, if you have heard about Siberian cranes, Siberian cranes are birds that fly from Siberia in Russia to China or Iran in winter, है ना. साइबेरियन क्रेन्स जो होती हैं वो साइबेरिया रशिया में जो जगह है वहाँ से चाइना या ईरान की तरफ चले जाते हैं विंटर्स में, राइट. एंड देन दे फ्लाई बैक टू साइबेरिया इन द समर, राइट. उसके बाद में ये लोग साइबेरिया में समर में आ जाते हैं वापस. यस, नो वन नोज़ हाउ दीज बर्ड्स फाइंड देयर वे, है ना. और हम ये नहीं जानते, वी डोंट नो दैट हाउ डू दे फाइंड देयर वे, बट येस दे find their way and they just come back to the same place from where they have left. Yes, and maybe they use the position of the sun and the stars for coming and going. Yes, so there is one more bird which is known as Arctic tern. Okay, so it travels from Arctic region to Antarctica where it spends the winter, right, and it flies back to the Arctic region in the summer, right, and it flies approximately 40,000 kilometers every year, right. See, this bird is known as Arctic tern. Okay, so this bird travels from Arctic region to Antarctica where it spends the winter, right, and after that it flies back to the Arctic region in the summer, right. Okay, so children, now what we have learned in the chapter, we have learned that birds build nests when they have to lay eggs, right? Yes, and the parent birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm, right. The parent birds protect and feed the young ones till they learn to fly, right. After that we have read about different birds make different kinds of nests, right, and birds living in cold places fly to warmer places during winter, right. birds जो कि cold places में होती हैं वो warmer places पे winters में चले जाते हैं, and this whole process is known as migration. Okay children, now let's do exercises. Okay, let's start doing exercise. First question is multiple choice questions. Okay, let's start. Which of these things do birds use to build nests? Birds को build nest build करने में what things they are using? Pebbles they use grass, they use twigs, or all of these. So few birds use pebbles, like penguin use pebbles. Yes, grass is also used by few birds to make their nest, and twigs are also used. Yes, so all of these is the correct answer, right. Now where does a woodpecker make its nest? Woodpecker अपना nest कहाँ बनाती है? Tree branch पर, in a tree trunk, or amongst tall grass, or on the roof of a building. So as we all know that woodpecker make its nest in a tree trunk, because it used to make a hole on the tree trunk, right students. Now next question is which bird builds its nest on the ground? So ground पे कौन सा bird अपना nest बनाता है? Is it eagle, is it swan, is it woodpecker, or is it weaver bird? So we all know that woodpecker, eagle, and weaver bird make its nest on trees. Yes, but swan builds its nest on the ground, right. Now next question is during which season do birds migrate? कौन से season में birds migrate करते हैं? Winter, summer, rainy season, or all seasons? So usually birds migrate during winter season, right students. Yes, now let's do the next question. Okay, so let's do true and false. Okay, if a statement is true we have to put a tick, if a statement is false we have to put a wrong. All birds lay eggs. Yes, this statement is true. Yes, this statement is true, right. Okay, now next question. Once a bird makes a nest, it always lives in it. No, this statement is false, because after giving eggs, when the young ones grown up and they just fly away, they also leaves the nest and they used to make a new nest. Yes, so this statement is false, that once a bird makes a nest, it always lives in it. Yes. Now next question is, most baby birds that come out of eggs can fly immediately. है ना, कुछ बेबी बर्ड्स जो होते हैं जैसे ही एग्स में से निकलते हैं तो वो इमीडिएटली उड़ने लगते हैं, दे यूज टू फ्लाई. So this statement is also wrong. Yes. Now next question is, eagles build nest with pebbles. So eagles builds nest with pebbles? No, this statement is also wrong, because penguins build nests with pebbles, right? So in this way we have to do these questions. Okay, now turn to next page for next question. So on next page there is a crossword. Okay, you have to solve this crossword. Now our first hint is, it builds a mud nest. 4. So mud nest आपको पता ही है, swallow used to make. Yes, SWALLOW, right? Now next question, a newly hatched baby bird. न्यूली हैच्ड बेबी बर्ड को क्या कहते हैं? Yes, we call it as chick. CHICK, chick. Yes. Now next, it stitches leaves together for its nest. Stitches, तो stitches कौन करता है? Yes. Which bird? Tailor bird. Yes. So tailor, TAILORBIR and D. Right. Now next is, the place where a bird lays its eggs. है ना, वो जगह जहाँ पे birds अपने eggs देती है, तो that place is known as nest. Yes, we all know that it is nest, right? Now next is, it builds its nest of sticks on trees. Yes, so this bird basically make its nest with sticks. So which bird it is? Yes, think about it. Yes children, that bird is stork. Okay, STORK. Right. So in this way we have done our crossword puzzle also. Okay, so now you have to do this exercise in your textbook. Okay, and we'll do question answers tomorrow. Okay, on Friday. Not tomorrow, because tomorrow there is no science period, but we will do this the question answers of this chapter on Friday. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, God bless you all, and please take very good care of yourself.